we have recently covered the Spiti Circle. We started from Shimla and covered the Spiti Valley and exited from Manali. As you all know that Manali was struck by flash flood in late August, around 25 to 26th of August, which caused massive destruction in all the surrounding areas of Manali. So when we planned our trip, we took all the measures. We checked all the channels, all the news related forums, and whatever sources we could make sure that the road conditions were favorable for travel into Manali. Here are the glimpses of the destruction, of the road conditions, of the massive, like, the havoc that is created due to that flash flood. You can see roads, highways, all are broken. Okay, even part of the highways are broken, and still the work is going on for construction of the road. All the roads are temporary ones which were washed away during the floods. You can see that heavy continuous monsoon rains caused the Bias rivers to overflow in and around Manali, triggering floods, landslides, and widespread damage. In Manali, multiple homes, shops, and even hotels were washed away or were severely damaged. Parts of Kullu Manali Leh highway and other roads and bridges were destroyed. Even the iconic old Manali bridge, the bridge which connects the old Manali road, was totally destroyed. In the broader Himalayan region, more than 600 roads, several highways, they were all blocked due to landslides, flash floods, and the damage. The iconic Shere Punjab restaurant in Manali, which is located just a few feet from the river, a bank of Bias, was partly washed away, only its entrance remained. A huge property loss. Many residents and tourists were stranded. Power and water supplies were disrupted in multiple areas. The infrastructure damage was so extensive. Roads, bridges, communications, drainage systems were all badly affected. The scale of the damage was so much that which makes the repair and restoration a long, resource-intensive task. The waters may rise, but so does the spirits of the Himachal. Even when nature tests it, Manali stands strong, tall, united, and unbroken. Mountains don't bow to floods, they teach us how to endure. When everything washes away, what remains is the courage and compassion. Manali's beauty lies not just in its mountains, but in the hearts that rebuilds them. The nature challenged us and we answered it with humanity. After every storm, the valley will bloom again. Bridges may fall, but the bond between people will grow stronger. From ruins rises a stronger Himachal, one act of kindness at a time. Hope flows deeper than the flood waters. Manali will smile again because every mountain learns to heal. We hope that you recover soon, Manali. Thanks for watching.